Okay, so unit 2, uh, local search algorithm optimization problem. So in that, that's another name is hill climbing algorithm in artificial intelligence. So hill climbing algorithm is a local search algorithm which is continuously move in the direction of increasing and elevation and value to find the peak of the mountain. That means the value is going moving. So where the value is peak, so that place we can say that's the best solution of the problem. So wherever we reach peak value, then it terminate and it's come to the uh, searching. That means it will be terminate the searching. So for example, hill climbing algorithm is used for traveling salesman problem and minimize the distance travel the salesman. So the another name of local search algorithm is a greedy local search algorithm. Uh, this hill climbing algorithm having two components, which is we can say state or value. Hill climbing is mostly used to for heuristic value. You know what is heuristic? So knowledge based, and you know here the algorithm doesn't need a tree or something, but if they have graph, the x and y that graph the in hill climbing algorithm, but there is no tree in hill climbing algorithm. Feature of hill climbing algorithm and some features of hill climbing algorithm. So we can generate test variant and we can generate test method and procedure feedback. Also, we can decide which direction to move to such spaces. Greedy approach, hill climbing algorithm is move in the direction which optimizes the cost. No backtracking. It does not backtrack search space. It does not remember on previous state. So that's the features of hill climbing algorithm. And state space diagram for hill climbing algorithm. You know, state space diagram, x and y axis. I already said it's a graph method. So x axis they mentioned the state space, y axis they mentioned the objective function. So the y-axis objective function is a cost, and it will be it is used for search or find global minimum and local minimum. If the function y-axis objective function, then the goal of the search to find global maximum and local maximum. State space diagram for hill climbing algorithm. So this is we just now we discussed. So x-axis state space, y-axis objective function. So between how the search is going, solder, global maximum, local maximum, and then current state where the agent present and flat local maximum. So here different region in a state space landscape. So local maximum means it's a state better than its neighbor state. That is called as local maximum state. And global maximum is best possible state of the state space landscape is higher value of object function and current state, and it's a state in a landscape diagram and where the agent currently present. Flat local maximum, the flat space in the landscape. So where are the neighbor state of current state have some value. And shoulder, it's a plateau region which has an affiliates. Types of hill climbing algorithm. Simple hill climbing algorithm, steepest ascent hill climbing algorithm, stochastic hill climbing algorithm. Simple hill climbing algorithm. The simplest way to implement hill climbing algorithm, evaluate the neighbor node to state. So only choice the successor state to find better than current state. To move else be the same state. So features of simple hill climbing algorithm is less time consuming and the solution is not guaranteed, but less optimal solution. So simple hill climbing algorithm is the simplest way I can implement. Only check successor state, that means near state, next state only it will be check. So it will be move, current state to same state. Move else, it will be move in somewhere or it will be move in same state. Steepest ascent hill climbing algorithm. So steepest ascent hill climbing algorithm. So all the neighbor nodes of the current state and select neighbor node which is close to the goal state. Algorithm consume more time as it is searches of multiple neighbors. The algorithm examines all the neighbor nodes of the current state and select one neighbor node which is closest to goal state. This algorithm consumes more time as it is searches of multiple neighbors. And stochastic hill climbing. Stochastic hill climbing, it does not examine for all the neighbors before moving. Rather, this search algorithm select one neighbor node at random and decide where to choose in a current state or examine another state. So stochastic hill climbing algorithm, it does not examine all the neighbors. So before moving, they have to select one neighbor node randomly and decide where to choose current state and examine another state. That is called as stochastic hill climbing algorithm. Stochastic means it's random, like that they will be select. Problems of hill climbing algorithm. So local maximum. So yeah, local maximum is a state, peak state, landscape state. It's better than each of neighbor state, but there is another state also present which is higher than the local maximum. So local maximum means already one peak state is there. So secondary it will be higher the value. So the solution of sometimes the local maximum peak value get, then it will be terminate the searching. So avoiding that, the solution is backtracking technique. So we have to use backtracking technique. Then might be it is possible no need to terminate for getting local maximum value to complete the algorithm. And plateau is a continuous same value does not find any best direction to move. A hill climbing search might be lost in plateau area. That means plateau means it's the same value. It does not find any best direction to move. Means where to we go. We can search like that because everywhere is the same value. That's a plateau region. Solution. So we have to do some big step. So very little step. Randomly select so far away. Then we will select from current state to next state. So this is called as plateau region. So algorithm could find not plateau region if possible. And Riju is special form local maximum. Surrounding area itself has slope cannot be reached a single move because everything is in a slope like that. So this solution for bidirectional search, like moving different direction, can improve this problem. In simulated annealing hill climbing algorithm which never makes move to lower value to guaranteed incomplete because they stuck on a local maximum. The algorithm apply random walk by moving successor, then it may complete but not efficient. So simulated annealing is an algorithm which yields both efficient and completeness. The same process is used in simulated annealing, which is the algorithm pick a random move and instead of picking the best move. If the random move improve the state, then it follows same path. Otherwise, the algorithm follow the path which has probability of less than 1. It move downhill and choose another path. So searching with the partial observation. Okay, thank you. So we will see next video.